Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you never miss any video. In today's video, we're just doing a little bit of makeup. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this makeup look. I'll be using some of my favorite products, but also some new stuff that I wanted to try that got in PR and that I also picked up from Sephora. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, seeing all the products that I use, then please keep on watching this video. Okay, first things first, going in with the Pixie lip balm. Really love the consistency. Then I'm taking the primer, applying that all over. It's very glowy, so don't apply as much as I did, but I really like it. And then I'm going in with the Merit complexion stick. I'm going to apply that as a contour. This is in Tiger's Eye. Then I'm going to blend it out with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Really love this product. Y'all already know that if you're not new to my channel. And I really love this brush as well because it works so well for any type of cream, liquid, any of that. Okay, then I'm going in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. If you don't have this and you're looking for a new foundation, go get it. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, but I just need to let y'all know this is like one of my favorite foundations of all time. I'm so mad it took me this long to try it, but it's definitely worth the hype. I see why so many people love it. It just blends so effortlessly into the skin. The coverage is amazing. I love this shade. I feel like it's one of the foundations that match me the best. And the finish, oh my god, it's just incredible. Y'all need to get this if you don't have it, okay? And then I'm gonna pair it with the concealer as well. And this base was everything. It was literally flawless. Every time I do this base, I'm just shocked at how good these products are because they are affordable. It's Sephora collection, so even though it's at Sephora, it doesn't cost as much as everything else. So yeah, next time y'all need to get some new concealers and foundations, go check out Sephora collection. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that out with my concealer brush, and y'all saw me apply it under my contour. I have not done that in forever, but I saw it in a video recently and I really liked the way it looked, so I decided to give it a go and I loved it. It just looks so good. I feel like my face looked so lifted and I really liked the look of it. Going in with this blush from Kaja, and I'm just gonna apply that. This blush does come with a sponge in the same container, but I don't really love the sponge with the blush. Then I'm using the One Size powder. Y'all, this has been on my wish list like 2 Sephora VIB sales ago, if not 3, and it took me this long to try it, and I'm so mad because it is so good. This is like going viral now, and for a good reason. It is worth the hype. It is so bomb. You literally look flawless. Your makeup is gonna sit so beautifully on the skin. Okay, then I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Just gonna go over the rest of the areas before I like bake my smile lines. Then I'm taking this Resculpt from Hailey's Beauty. Do not sleep on Hailey's Beauty. Y'all need to get this. It is so good. Gonna use that in dark, I believe, to just bronze up the face. Then I'm using the NARS Orgasm Blush. I think this is like the Orgasm Intense or something of the sort. Then just using a few brown shadows from the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals palette to put that into the crease. Then I'm gonna take the Pixie like liquid cream eyeshadow pigment situation and apply that to my lid. This, I don't love it on its own, so I used it as a base and I applied some shimmer gold colors on top, and it worked really well. So I definitely think I'm gonna continue to use it as a base, but by itself, not so much. This black eyeliner from Pixie, go get it. It's, y'all know it's affordable because it's Pixie. Go get it. It's so black, it's so creamy, bomb. Amazing for doing exactly what I'm doing here, which is smoking out that eyeliner. Okay, it's so good and it's so bold. Sephora collection lashes, once again, affordable. I like them. The band is a little thin though, so if you haven't applied lashes with a thin band in a while, you might want to be cautious of that. Applying the Sephora collection spray. I heard this was good, so I wanted to try it. I don't think it's transfer proof personally, but I did really like how it held my makeup together. then applying some lipstick and mascara. The lipstick is Dose of Colors, mascara is Pixie. I really liked both of them. And then that is pretty much the look. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned, all the products will be linked down below if there's anything you're interested in trying. And I'll see you guys in my next video.